Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a staff directory page on your new website. To create a staff directory, go to Content, Add Content, and select CT5 Staff Directory. You can give your new page a title, for example, Staff, and then fill in the boxes per their labels. You can add a profile image of each staff member via the media gallery. For a more detailed overview of using the media gallery, watch our media uploads video. The URL section can be used to add an external profile link, such as LinkedIn or social media, or to link to another page on your website. To view your changes before saving, you can use the preview button at the top right, and always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of how to create a staff directory. I'll see you in the next video.